Point, to be able to create a custom form, we're going to need to go to the template section on the navigation panel, which is on the left. So it's at the very bottom in orange. We're going to click on that. And then underneath the templates, you have the template categories. You're going to want to select the bottommost option, the custom forms, letters, and emails. In here you can see we have several samples that you can look at for custom forms. We're going to start with the buttons up at the top right. The first way that you can add in a new custom form is to click that New button. Once you do that, you're going to have to name your custom form. We're going to name ours Example 1. A Word document will open, and this works just as Word does, but has the Point Custom Forms box in that top left. This is what's going to allow us to map data from our files into the form. So for this, you could click inside the document and start typing, or copy and paste from another Word document that you have into this document. I'm going to go ahead and close this one down and show you the other way that you can get a document into the system. Another way is to import your document. That button is in the top right. To do that, your document does have to be in a Word format. So if you have it in PDF, you will need to get that converted. I'm going to open up a Word document for our example today. It's a pre-qual letter. Some loan originators would have a pre-made pre-qual letter and would have to open it up each time and update it for each borrower. Now you can use the custom form to have the file automatically update the letter for you and be able to send that out. Like I said, the first step is it needs to be in a Word document. So if it is PDF, go ahead and get that converted over to a Word document. The second part is it needs to be in the .doc version, not the newer docx. So let me show you the second step. You're going to go up to your file, your saving. I'm going to put mine on the desktop. And underneath the file name, you see the Save As type. I'm going to click that. And inside of here, we need to pick the Word 97 to 2003. This will change it over to the .doc format, which will import for us into Point. If you use the .docx version, it will allow you to import that custom form inside of Point, but after a while it will become corrupted and you will not be able to use it anymore. I'm going to close this down and go back into Point, where we can import this in and start working on it. So again, we're going to click the Import at the top right, and you're going to see this notice. This is telling you that if you have any fields that contain a mail merge field, after you import your document, those are no longer going to be active. So go ahead and click Yes, and this allows you to find your file. One thing here is you do want to make sure that you're importing the correct Word version of the document. So beside the file name in the lower right, you'll see Word document.docx. That is the newer version. We saved it as the .doc. So what I want to do is make sure that I change that dropdown so I can see that 97 to 2003 documents and import the correct one. If you have any questions, please reach out to our dedicated customer service at 1-800-342-2599.